Gotta figure out what I have to do today. I need to start planning again. I need to start getting my life back in order because 2021 is coming and gotta get back on track. So many good things happening. So many gifts that God has given to me. And I'm excited to share them with you guys. So let's go. All right, so I have finished my breakfast. I finished my work for today. I've done a 20-minute tidy thanks to Nicole Charnel. I've done my 20-minute tidy and now it is like 12:30. So now I'm going to make lunch and then I'm probably going to come in and work on my resume. And then if I get finished with that, then I'll post for a couple of jobs. But yeah, let's go eat some lunch. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all how I make my blackened chicken. So I have my chicken here, some little chicken breast livers that I'm gonna blacken, fry it up. I'm gonna show y'all how I make my spice rub for my blackened chicken. So of course I use some onion powder, some of that in there, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, and some thyme. All right, now these next two ingredients are optional. I use some Creole seasoning and brown sugar. So I just sprinkle some Creole and then some brown sugar. So I take all those and mix it up. And there is my rub. So that's what I use to put on my chicken, blacken my chicken. If you don't want to use any Creole seasoning or brown sugar, you just want to put a little bit of salt in because these 5 things didn't have salt. Excuse me. But yeah, spices got my nose. But if you want to take those two things out, say you're on a diet and don't want to add any sugar or anything like that, then just add some salt and that'll complete your seasoning mix. So it's black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, thyme, and paprika. And then a little bit of salt. If not, then use a little bit of Creole seasoning and brown sugar. And this is what it looks like. And just a little bit of each, and whatever you don't use, you can label it and put it in your spice cabinet, and then whenever you need it, you have it here to use. Those little bit of chunks are the brown sugar, but if you just smush them, they'll turn into just like a regular spice mix. So I put quite a bit of seasoning on mine. I just like mine heavily seasoned, and it's going on a salad, so that helps with the flavor of the salad. So that's just what I like to do. If you don't like that much seasoning, you put less. Yeah. All right, so I have my pan heating up. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the pan. A little piece of butter. Your cast iron heats up. I'm cooking in the cast iron. Cast iron holds a lot of heat, so you don't have to have it on very high in order for the heat to come up. So once your butter's in and your butter is melted, then you're gonna go ahead and put in your chicken. Let that fry up. It only takes a second. Not there yet. I wanted to go in the middle of the chicken, 174, so this is done. And this was the thickest one, so I'm pretty sure the rest of it is done. Dark colors, these are done. So we're going to take it off. fire. Take your cast iron off the heat because it will continue to hold the heat. And you got some blackened chicken. Looks good, right? And it's not burnt. It's blackened. That means the spices have turned black. And the Maillard effect is taking place. But it's super good. I always put it on a napkin because it's cooking in oil, so it kind of takes off some of the oil. Yeah. We're going to put it on our salad. So all of my work for today is done. I have finished my lunch and I have finished my resume and I have applied to a couple of jobs. There's something about sitting at a computer for hours that just makes you tired. So I'm probably going to take a little bit of a nap and then I'm going to wake up and do a little bit more cleaning and then we'll see what the rest of the night holds. Probably edit another video and then head to bed for another successful day tomorrow. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching the vlog and I'll see you in the next one.